To do 6 million minus 2,651, the first thing you need to do is ask yourself in the ones column if you can do it. 0 minus 1 I can't do, because if I have nothing, I can't possibly give someone 1. So I can't take 1 away from 0. So we need to borrow. We can't borrow from any of these because they're all zeros. We can't take something from nothing. So we need to borrow from the 6 in the millions place. I'm going to take one of those millions away, and I'm going to give it to the hundred thousands place. So the 1 million that I took away from the millions place is going to be worth 10 hundred thousands. Then I need to take from the 10 hundred thousands and give to the 10 thousands place. So I take one of those 100 thousands, so they have 9 left, and give that to the 10 thousands place, which is going to be 10 10,000s. Then I need to take one of those 10 thousands and give it to the thousands. So I take one of those 10 thousands, and one of those 10 thousands is worth 10 in the thousands place. Then I take one of those 10 in the thousands place and give it to the hundreds place. That 1 thousands place that I took is worth 10 hundreds. Then I take one of those 10 hundreds and put it in the tens place. 1 in the hundreds place is worth 10 in the tens place. I take one of those tens and I give that 110, I give that to the ones place. Now I can subtract. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3, bring down my comma, 9 minus 2 is 7, bring down my 9, bring down my 9, and bring down my comma, bring down my 5. Now that's what really happens when we subtract across zeros. The quick way to do that is this. I like to pretend we're dealing with cookies whenever we're borrowing. So 0 minus 1, I can't do it. If I have no cookies, I can't possibly give someone 1 cookie. So we go to my neighbor. They have no cookies to give. Go to my other neighbor. No cookies to give. And then we keep on going until we find a neighbor with packages of cookies. This person has 6 packages of cookies. We're going to take one of those packages. Now all these zeros here we're borrowing across. Anytime we're borrowing across zeros, I like to put a little arrow over top all the ones that we're borrowing across. That shows me that we're going from here, and this person over here is the one who needs the cookies. So anybody that I borrow across, they're all going to become 9s. So I just make them 9s. And then this person over here who needed the cookies, they get all 10 from that package that we took here. So they become a 10. And then my subtracting remains absolutely the same. So it's just a little shortcut, but the same thing's happening. If you noticed over here, we turned every 0 into a 10, then turned it into a 9. Turned the next one into a 10, turned it into a 9. So when I'm borrowing across those zeros, it doesn't matter if I'm borrowing across 1 or 200 zeros. Every 0 that I borrow across becomes a 9, and then the digit that needs the cookies, we put 10 more on that digit, and then we can do our subtraction.